Yeah. Yeah, man. That is the kicks. All right. Hey, son, chi, go, look, ditch, itch, who, itch, itch, knee, son, chi, go, look, search, go, itch. Son, go, look, ditch, itch. Son, chi, go, itch, itch, chi, go, look, sit, itch, itch. That one you have to check how you can move hands. This how you can move hands. The hands will show you how you can cross. You can close back and move forward. See, if you wanna kick someone and you come back on your command, that you use your hands. You see, this reason, lesson for today is I want to show you how you can move your hands. You see, the hands. Yes. You first is hands, and the second is your shoulder. You see, first and second. So you see, first, second. You see, first, second. If you want to close back, yes. You want to go on advance and move. Again, you push sock together and back with you push sock together, pause, and your hands back with sock together back on your command. You see, you push sock together, pause, and you cross with hand, and you push sock together on the other side. You come on your command, right? All right. Yes. This is a lesson for today. Right. Lesson for today is how you can move your hand. You see? Every step you want. You see this? this can help you to be strong, and you want to push in outside. You see, if I'm on this kamai or this, this position. Let me show you this position. This side. Or this. Yeah, man. Yes, everywhere you are, I'm with you. Just subscribe, comment, like, and share, because this is a good lesson. I'm your teacher. You are my friend, wherever you are. Yes. Now, I'm coming to show again another tetsui. Another one, tetsui. If I want to push with tetsui, and I come with soktogiri, I'm back with kamai, back cross with hands, soktogiri, tetsui. Come on. Yeah, man. Us. Yes. Let's begin another foot stretch to move the brood well. Yes. H, ni, sun, chi, go. Ditch, hatch, who, edge. Yes. All right. H, ni, sun, chi, go, look. Yeah, man. You see? Back strong, because your arm need to be strong, and your hands need to be strong enough to push a good technique with strong hands. Yes? All right. Now, H, ni, sun, chi, go, look, teach. Right? H, ni, sun, chi, go. Awesome. Yeah, man. Just, you are with me now, but I'm coming to a second lesson for today. Yes.